doesn't necessarily have to do with these two companies, but I do have a concern on our applicants and making sure that they're not already working in these locations or doing business, because I know there's one of the companies that's questionable that we think they may be operating already. This is for the chief. The one company that we think is maybe operating, what are we doing about that, and what are we doing to make sure that none of the other companies are going to do that? Are we getting a search warrant? What are we doing to check to see if they are operating or not?
We have our staff going out there randomly with the code enforcement, and we're about weekly, isn't it, Joe? And so we check on the locations. Sometimes we have a little difficulty getting a hold of the owners, but eventually they come around. So we are checking the locations. We have no evidence that's articulable enough to write a search warrant to make entry into the locations. The laws in these areas are very weak, and the proof level is very high. So it makes it a little complicated for us. But when we have something that gives us strong, specific evidence, then we'll get a search warrant, and surely we'll go into the location.
So you're saying right now we don't have any strong evidence to be able to do that?
No, we just have a lot of innuendo that people say that things are going on there. But we have no actual strong evidential proof that we can use for a search warrant.
Because I know you're doing you check the locations, but from the outside there's no way really to tell what's happening inside. So how?
It is difficult, especially when the location's locked and you can't get inside and nobody's answering the door. And we can't force our way in there. And like I said, we don't have enough specific factual information that's strong enough to get a search warrant for us to force entry into the location. Otherwise, that wouldn't be a problem.
And if we were to have factual information, how long does it take to get a search warrant?
Well, it depends. It depends how long it takes to get a hold of a judge, and it depends on the judge how quick they want to issue the warrant. So I can't give you a specific time frame. Some are quicker than others, and some they look at as less importance, and they take their time to issue us the authority.
Okay, thank you.